Listing multiple variations of a product. In this video, we will learn about the process of listing multiple variations of a product. Variation listings are used for products which come in different colors or sizes, such as clothing or fashion products, mobile accessories, etc. You can list your product and all the variations of it in one multi-quantity fixed price listing. This can save you time and money because you don't have to list every variation as a single item listing. We will learn how to create a listing with variations using the example of t-shirts, which come in different colors and different sizes. Remember, to list in variation, you need to have at least 5 positive feedbacks for your seller account. Open www.ebay.in in your browser. Click on Sell. Click on the Start Selling button. You will be directed to choose a category. Input T-shirt in the box provided and click on Find Category. Select Men's Clothing under T-shirts and click on Continue. You will now come to a page where you will provide details about the item you want to list. Click on List multiple variations of this item in one listing. Click on Create Variations. Items cannot be listed in the auction format if you want to use the variation feature. You will be prompted to provide the size and color of the items. Choose color first. The first variation detail that you select will be the one that is displayed in your pictures. Be sure that the first variation detail you select is one that can be seen in all pictures of the product, such as color or sleeve style, instead of size or manufacturer. If you are listing in other categories, you will be asked for another attribute on this page. Let us say that the t-shirt comes in 3 colors: blue, red and green. Select the 3 colors from the drop-downs. If you need to add more colors, you can click on the plus color button and add more colors. Then click on the size option. Please add all the sizes you have for all colors. Suppose we have 5 sizes in each of the 3 colors: extra small, small, medium, large and extra large. Select XS, S, M, L and XL from the drop-downs as shown and click on Continue. Add all colors and all sizes in this stage. If you don't have a particular size in a particular color, you can do so while choosing stock in the next steps in this video. You will be prompted to input the item specifics. Please note that the item specifics are those features which are the same for all the items in this listing. Choose the appropriate options from the drop-down. You can add your own item specifics as well by clicking on Add your own item specific. If you do not want to use an item specific, you can remove the same by clicking on the Remove link next to the particular item specific. Once you have added the item specifics, click on Continue. Enter a unique name, custom label, or stock keeping unit (SKU) to help you keep track of your product. This is only for your reference and will not be shown to the customer. Click on Create Variations. You will see that variations have been created for you. You can add variations or remove variations depending on the availability of the product. Click on Continue. You will now be prompted to add the pictures for your item. Shared pictures show common features of your items, whereas variation pictures show the differences in the items. Remember, your shared pictures are shared as the default ones if you don't upload any variation ones. For example, if you don't upload an image of the red t-shirt, then the shared image of all the variants of the t-shirt will be displayed when anyone selects the red one. You can add as many as 12 shared pictures and as many as 12 pictures per variation. Similarly, add pictures for the blue t-shirt. Now, add pictures for red t-shirt. Now, add pictures for green t-shirt. Click on Continue. You will now be prompted to enter quantity and price for the variation. Enter the appropriate values. You have a choice of putting in different prices for different variations. For example, you could put Rs 299 for colored t-shirts and Rs 399 for white t-shirts, or Rs 299 for small, Rs 349 for medium, and Rs 399 for large t-shirts. Variations with zero quantity will be removed from the listing and will not be displayed. Click on Save. You have finished creating variations. By clicking on the Preview button, you can see how your listing will look. Important tips. Listing with variation helps you save time as you don't have to list every variation one at a time in a single item listing. Save money as you pay a single insertion fee instead of one per each variation. Gain visibility as popular multi-quantity listings may appear higher in search results. Offer choice to the buyer and hence increases probability of purchasing. Remember, to list in variation, you need to have at least 5 positive feedbacks for your seller account. We hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Watch other training videos on our YouTube channel.